This one. Yeah. Okay, I will get this one. Yeah. Wait. Okay. Oh yeah, yeah, just this one. I will wear this snap. Oh, yeah. Sorry. And just an update sa nalaglag na camera. Sira na po yung gimbal niya, so kailangan ko siyang ipaayos. Kailangan ko humanap saan dito yung service center. My God. So, andito tayo ngayon sa may Namba. So, maglalakad na tayo ngayon papunta doon sa Dotonbori para kumain or maybe pumarty na rin o uminom tayo mamaya. So, I feel a little bit happy. Actually happy. Medyo naayos ko po yung camera ko, so now it's working properly. Is it so famous? Ang dami tao nagpipicture. Yeah, we're now here in Ebisobashi Suji Pak. Pero promise, namumuro na yung mga gamit ko sa pagkalaglag, pagkasira. Kaya kailangan ko nang itodo yung aking pag-iingat. So tonight, lalabas ako. I mean, nasa labas na ako at pa-party ako. Di ko alam kung magiging bonggang part siya or tamang chill lang. Kasi imimit ko yung babaeng nakilala ko kahapon. Kumare ko lang siya, huwag kayong ano dyan. Wow! Nakita ko lang ba yung LED screen ng kunyari mga jellyfish. Cute! May lalaki sobrang cute, nakangiti sa akin. Sobra. Kasi may kasama babae. Wow. Gusto ko kumain ba? Medyo busog ako. Siguro mamaya, tatanungin natin kung nagugutom yung kaibigan ko mamaya. And alam nyo ba dito sa Osaka, sobrang popular ng pagkain na ang paborito nila is, yes, pakihula, paki-comment down, nag-comment down. Naghihintay ako, nag-comment down. Anong hula nyo ang paborito nilang pagkain dito? Yes. Ang tamang sagot ang paborito nila pagkain dito ay takoyaki. Yes, maliban sa takoyaki ang paborito nila ditong pagkain ay hindi ako. Ang tamang sagot ay ang okonomiyaki. Actually, yung takoyaki di ba sa atin parang snack lang? Dito full meal nila yon. So, dinadamihan nila yung serving. Hindi lang 6. Minsan mga 3 order. So, 3, 6. 9, 12, 18. Ang dami. Kung lang hindi ka mabusog doon. Soon titigim ako ng takoyaki nila dito. So actually bumili ng sapatos yung malaki, yung mga platform type. Oh, ito, meron nakita. Not sure lang kung pambabae ito. Kasi baka pambabae sa pagtinginan nila ako. Sabagay, wala akong pakialam. Hello, yung hikaw ko nga, oh. Pangalan ng tandahan pa lang, Ata Girl. Oh, hindi rin sila sure, di ba? Ata, char. I mean, oh my God. Sobrang daming tao, be. And ito na yung binakikita kong lugar. Oh my God, we're here in Dotonburi. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. Look at this. The color, the crowd, the lights, the smell of the food. Oh my God. This is the heart of Osaka, be. Ito yung puso talaga ng Osaka, sabi nga nila. You can find everything here. Lagi nilang everything. Sana everyone. Yung nahanap ko yung jowa ko, yung future ko, hindi ko mahanap. Char, hindi daw hinahanap, hinihintay lang. Darating daw yan. Wow. I am finally here. Oh my God. Ito na yung famous na glyco na billboard. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Andito na ako. Ang galing. Nung nakaraan napapanood ko sa mga vlog, sa mga pictures ng mga kaibigan ko. Oh my God, now I'm here. Okay. Mandatory picture taking na ako, be, ha? See you later.
I should try everything.
So, ayan, be. Ngayon, nandito ako sa kalagitnaan ng Dotonbori. And kasama ko yung friend ko. This is my friend, Seden. So, we're going to have McDonald's for the dinner before we head on to some chilling or parties somewhere maybe. We don't know yet. So, we'll just eat something here. Sabi ko sa kanya kasi I told her, like the french fries here is really amazing. Yeah.
Try.
We're now going to eat the burgers here.
Yeah.
The samurai double. Last time that I tried, I want to try this one. It's not available. So I'm like,
You find it because you are lucky to find me and find a burger. At the same time, bonus. I'm the bonus. Let's try. It's so soft.
yeah.
Right. I noticed that lots of the buttery things is very soft. Have you ever tried pizza bun?
Here?
Yeah.
Not yet.
Lots of 7-Eleven, like the Media Markt, Family Mart sells in front of the cashier. Hot snacks menus.
Uh-huh.
It looks like a mantı we said in Turkish. It's like this. It's so yummy, and there's a pizza bun inside. Buttery things is perfect. You can feel the softies of the bread. And the meat, what do you think? Kobe meat?
Kobe is way better. It melts in your mouth.
Because of the money?
Yeah.
How much do you pay? You said?
3,000.
Just one stick?
Yes, one stick.
You can buy
3 slice.
you can buy a Coke. This amount.
For the experience, yeah.
Yes, we have to do this.
For the satisfaction, no. But yeah, for the experience, yes.
I always looking for the fruits.
Here?
Yeah. You can you see in the markets, you can find a big supermarket, you find out fruits. And no cheese, not lots of cheese facts. Have you ever tried the tofu?
No.
Tofu is Japanese traditional cheese.
Tofu, it's not cheese.
Looks like that. It's from the milk.
Soya.
Yeah. But the taste,
I know.
yeah. But I'm looking for a cheese. I didn't find any kind of cheese.
I
yet.
think it's not popular in
Yeah.
Southeast Asia.
Yeah.
Cheese is not.
Maybe they have fish cheese. Everything made from fish.
We have more on fish here in Southeast Asia. Takoyaki. Okay, it's takoyaki. Do you want to try it? Let's share one. So, andito kami guys in the middle of Dotonbori. And ito may mahabang pila dito ng takoyaki. Wow. Aya, you don't eat takoyaki because of the octopus. She's not eating takoyaki because of the octopus. I forgot.
Like
You know?
Try?
Huh?
Could we try?
I don't know. But you know, I am looking for the partner of this one. And maybe we need to have our sake now.
Yeah. Well, you can drink me.
Is it happy hour?
Wow.
So, 2,000 pag pumasok ka, hindi na tayo mapasok dyan. Let's go, move on. Baka mapagastos tayo dyan sa mga babae. Hoy, hi! Hi ka sa vlog. Bye! Hi mga kabayan! Nakita ko uli sila! Hi kila Cherry and Nick! Ayan, dito kami ngayon sa Osaka. So ngayon, Ben, nag-ikot kami dito, like window shopping, sikahan. Kaya nahanap muna kami ng place kung saan kami tatambay. And it's Friday, as of the day of vlogging. Ito nga pala yung binili kong Amori, hindi pala ang tawag, ito siya. So, I like it naman, pakinuha siya sa akin. Ganda naman, di ba? Purihin niyo ko, Ben, maganda. Dali, medyo nalungkot ako sumaya, pero kailangan ko ng motivation, Ben, please. Char. Wow, ang ganda dito, be, oh. Ang daming mong makakainan. And like, the billboards are in LED pa, ang taray. Grabe. Nakakatuwa. Grabe, ang saya. Like, kumain na kasi kami, nabusog na ako. Hindi ko nga naubos yung price. Wow. They even have a dragon here. And a flying cow. And another crab. No, be, gumagalaw pa yung crab. Be, buhay pa yan, char. Wow. Go there inside, take picture.
Okay.
Picture of the street, I think this one.
Okay.
Okay. With the background of the street. Wait, I'll take picture of you.
But I don't know how. Cause every time I bump right into you, I get all tongue-tied. Want you to know me, but I'm way too shy. I can't just go around admitting that it's you I like. I wish that I had guts enough to flirt a little, but I'm too scared I'll fail. I wish that I could listen to the voice inside me, a voice that always says, give it a go, don't waste your time, cause you're running out. Give it a go and ask her out, only takes one try, yeah. Even if she tells you no, then at least you know. So give it a go, give it a go. I just can't read you when you pass me by. Sometimes you look my way and say my name and I turn around, but when I see you, you just walk on by. It's like you wanna talk but get caught off by your own mind. I wish that I had guts enough to flirt a little, but I'm too scared I'll fail. I wish that I could listen to the voice inside me, a voice that always says, give it a go, don't waste your time, cause you're running out. Give it a go and ask her out, only takes one try, yeah. Even if she tells you no, then at least you know. So give it a go, give it a go. Oh, oh. Let her know, let her know, let her know, let her know. Oh, let her know, let her know, let her know. Yeah, just give it a go. Let her know, let her know, let her know, let her know. Oh, give it a go, give it a go. I wish that I had guts enough to flirt a little, but I'm too scared I'll fail. Let her know, let her know, let her know, let her know. Oh, give it a go, give it a go. I wish that I had guts enough to flirt a little, but I'm too scared.